in all its glory. Let's take it out straight away. Wow, that's an amazing, feels great in the hand. Really nice. The screen is beautiful. The sides, I mean, I'm really impressed by this gold, but straight away the color is incredible. But straight away what I was gonna say is you can see how much fingerprints you're gonna get on this. So you gotta watch out for those marks. But at the end of this video, I have a few options for you that might actually help with that. By the way, Apple didn't sweet talk me into doing this video. This phone is purchased by yours truly, so I will not be measuring my views. If something is crap, I'll tell you. Let's talk about this color to start with. I went for the gold because I was really impressed by the website, and I know the way they showed on the website is very much like it shows here on the box, but in real life I have to say it's not as striking as it would be. The sides are really, I mean, it looks like real gold, and the back, well, it's nothing to do with gold. It's beige at best. Let's take it outside and you can see a little bit better. Alright guys, let's talk about this color. This color has been dividing opinions online, but for me is one of the most amazing colors. It's the best color I've ever seen on an iPhone, and I've had the gold color before on the iPhone. I still think this one is the best. It's fantastic. It's been kicked around online about, you know, it being not very good. Some other people love it, and I'm on that camp. I absolutely, I'm speechless about this color. It's like real gold on the sides. There's this champagne, sort of very soft, very almost quite discreet gold tint, which is not really gold. I wouldn't say it's gold. It's probably beige at best, you know. But as I said, I like it in comparison to the previous gold, which was a little bit, I don't know, quite. I mean, I don't know if you can. The camera here won't do justice. 11 Pro Max. That's the 12 Pro Max. Yeah, it was a little bit darker on the 11 Pro Max, but at the same time, it had a bit of a rose thing to it. Whereas this, I don't know, there's something about it. It's quite discreet, quite elegant. I really like it. One of the things that I really like, it sounds silly, I know, but it's the fact that you can actually stand up the phone like that on a flat surface. So yeah, it's not that gold at the back, right? I think just going back to the color. But you know what? I absolutely love it. This is fantastic. I love it. It's really quite smart. It's quite elegant. It just feels very elegant. It just feels, you know, expensive in a way, and it is expensive, so it should feel that way. But it's unlike the previous 12 Pro Max. You know, holding it now feels really old, which is interesting because it's not really that old. How does this size compare with the 11 Pro Max? I mean, that might be a good thing because I've got the exact model here. And it's not that different. I mean, if you've got 11 Pro Max right now, I mean, it's identical really. I mean, it is slightly bigger. You can see here on the bezels. It has a smaller bezel. Yeah, but overall, as you can see, not much between them. But I think, honestly, on the size, it's only big if you haven't used a Pro Max before, or if you haven't used one of those bigger models before. I don't have a massive hand, and this for me feels natural, and I'm just used to the bigger phone, and yeah, it feels really nice. Feels really malleable. It's not too heavy. Let's see what else is in the box just quickly here. Not that exciting, I don't think. As we know, there's no charger, but they send you for $1,000. They send you one cable, shock horror, one sticker, and bit of metal for SIM remover, and a bit more cardboard, so not that exciting. Right, the camera. The camera is probably the biggest difference between the 12 Pro Max and the regular 12 Pro. Just looking at some of the initial reviews that we've seen already, not that much difference. But there are hardware differences between this model and the 12 Pro model, the regular 12 Pro. So those hardware differences is what I'm going to be looking at in this channel. I'm going to be testing the stabilization features and the nighttime mode, because there are better hardware capabilities in this camera. The LiDAR is the same, so I'm not too worried about that, but the sensor, this is insane what Apple have done. they've made the sensor move to add more stabilization. They call it the sensor shift, but that could be a game changer. And for me, you know, I like stabilization features. If you have children or you're trying to capture any sports, you want to walk around, you want to move around while you're filming. So stabilization for you, if you've got children, if you want to do some action sports or film anything that's moving around, stabilization will be really important. So I'm really looking forward to look at that stabilization feature with this phone. It was already amazing on this guy, and I've got other videos comparing this even with a GoPro. I was already really impressed with the 11 Pro Max. So I'm really looking forward to seeing what that stabilization features are. In fact, I'm going to do a video this weekend, and hopefully in the next couple of days you see it. I won't talk about the detailed specs for now. I mean, there's going to be a few more videos on this phone. What I will do instead, guys, is run different tests, comparing this phone with the previous version, comparing the camera with other versions, and also to see, so you can see for yourself on a day-to-day basis how much they have improved or not. As I said, Apple haven't paid me for this, so if something is not good, I will tell you. Trust me, if something's crap, you will know about it. Now, what I can't hide from you is the fact that the sides will collect lots of fingerprints within seconds, right? I literally just picked up the phone from being very clean and it's completely covered in fingerprints. Not that I mind it so much, but I have got you covered, and your phone. All right, come with me. Right, hope you don't mind too much of a mess here in my office, but look at the amount of stuff that we've got here for you. We've got screen protectors, we've got cases, wallets, we've got Apple cases, caseology, we've got speaker, mouse, we've got loads of accessories, guys, coming up on the channel. So yes, as I was saying, we've got loads of stuff coming up on the channel as well, so stay tuned on the channel. You don't want to miss out, so hit the subscribe button, hit the like button on this video as well if you're enjoying it, and let's take this guy for a ride. More about the 12 Pro Max. There's loads of videos I want to do about the apps, about all the things that we can do on this phone. I'm really excited about showing you those videos. I can't wait to get them out there for you. So have a look around the channel. I'll put some links here in the description for you for accessories for this, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.